how to correctly fix Steam no connection error. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can correctly fix Steam no connection error. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to correctly fix Steam no connection error, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Check Steam server status. Please check the Steam server status page to ensure the issue which you are encountering is not related to system-wide downtime. If you encounter any timeout errors when attempting to access Steam sites, it is very likely that there is a system-wide issue and Steam will not be accessible until the issue is resolved. Second step, test your router. The using a router with Steam topic includes steps to isolate problems if they occur at the router. Wireless and powerline connections can cause intermittent failures due to interference. If possible, test Steam with a direct wired connection to determine if this is a problem. An internet speed test may also help you identify problems related to local link quality. Step 3. Troubleshoot all firewalls. See the using a firewall with Steam topic for instructions to test and configure your firewall for Steam. Note: if you are installing Steam for the first time or Steam has recently been updated, a firewall may be preventing Steam from connecting to the Steam network even if Steam worked correctly before the update was applied. Step 4. Disable background applications. Review the programs which may interfere with Steam and reconfigure, disable, or uninstall any programs which may be preventing Steam and Valve games from connecting. Step 5. Viruses, Trojans, adware, and spyware. Scan your computer for spyware, malware, adware, or virus interfering with Steam. So that's how you can correctly fix Steam no connection error. That's all for this video.